Hello. So today we are here at a Mankal grill. It's basically a truck, but it's really crowded. People wait here for. There's a long waiting here, and we are lucky today it's no waiting. But usually it's really crowded. So the shawarma here, or whatever the kebab is here, it's really good in taste. Where it is basically it's in Richmond, or maybe I think Sugarland, near to Sugarland, or it's basically this point is like Richmond, Houston, and you can just Google the location on Al Mankal. Let me zoom it for you guys. It's Al Mankal Grill, and if I show you the trucks in the car's vehicle. So it's a gas station, but trust me, these cars are here for the Salamanca. So this place is awesome. If you're a foodie like us, you can just scoot in here and try their kebab. And let me know in the comment if you like this place, if you like the taste, and if you got some other suggestion for me regarding Arabic cuisine, like maybe Turkish or Middle Eastern, which taste better than this one, you can write in the comment box. Thank you. Until then, bye bye.